In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wave Accounting versus QuickBooks for Freelancers 2026. If you're a freelancer trying to choose between these two platforms, this comparison will help you decide which one fits your workflow, budget, and growth plans. Both are popular with solo operators and small teams, but they aim at different needs. Wave is known for being affordable and beginner-friendly, while QuickBooks leans into deeper accounting features and time-saving automation. We'll look at pricing, invoicing, bookkeeping, automation, reporting, and overall value so you can pick with confidence. Let's start with Wave. Wave remains a favorite for new freelancers thanks to its free starter plan. You can create unlimited invoices, track expenses, send estimates, manage customers, and handle day-to-day bookkeeping without a monthly subscription. That alone can keep your overhead low when cash flow is tight. If you want more convenience, the Pro plan, priced around $190 per year, adds automatic bank imports, smart transaction categorization, receipt scanning, automated payment reminders, and improved payment processing tools. The biggest advantage here is simplicity. The dashboard is clean and easy to grasp. Even if accounting isn't your thing, it's quick to create invoices, tag expenses, monitor cash flow, and generate basic reports you can share or reference at tax time. Wave is especially appealing to freelancers, consultants, creators, coaches, and side hustlers who need reliable essentials at minimal costs. Just note the trade-offs. Reporting is more limited, inventory features are basic, and advanced automation can't match higher-end tools. If your business stays simple, Wave is fantastic. If you're scaling, you may eventually want more power. Now to QuickBooks. QuickBooks uses monthly pricing with several tiers: Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced, so you can pick the level that matches your complexity. Even the entry plan offers more robust capabilities than Wave, including advanced reporting, stronger automated bookkeeping, tax preparation tools, mileage tracking, inventory management, multi-user collaboration, and AI-powered expense categorization. Automation is the standout. QuickBooks can pull in bank transactions, categorize them, reconcile accounts, and produce detailed financial statements with less manual effort. That can save hours when you're preparing taxes or client reports. It also scales well as you grow, supporting higher volumes, more detailed insights, and additional users without forcing a platform switch. The trade-offs are cost and a steeper learning curve. If your needs are simple, some features may feel like overkill. So, which should you choose? If you want a free, streamlined, beginner-friendly platform, Wave is likely the best fit. If you need advanced automation, richer reporting, tax tools, and room to grow, QuickBooks is worth the investment. Thanks for watching. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials and comparisons. See you in the next video.